Now before telling you about the speed and velocity, let me tell you about distance and displacement. Let's consider if I have 2 points A and B. Now Peter is standing at A. And let's consider if we have two paths, path 1 and path 2. Let path 1 is 5 kilometers and path 2 is 12 kilometers to the right. So path 1 is distance. Path 1 is distance. So distance is a scalar quantity. Why? Because it is giving us the size, which is 5 kilometers. So distance is a scalar quantity. Now path 2 is a displacement. Why? Because it is giving us the direction. Displacement is a vector quantity. It is giving us the direction, which is to the right. 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer is the size of displacement. So displacement is giving us the size and direction. Keep it in your mind, distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is denoted by d or small m. Displacement is denoted by small x or small s or small m. So this is all about the distance and displacement. Now if someone asks me what is a speed, everybody knows, even a small child knows about it, that speed is equal to distance divided by time. And speed is giving us how fast or how slow a body, a person, an object, a car, an aeroplane is moving. I will give you example, and this example will clear your concept about the speed. Let's consider if I have a person and a woman. Let Peter is standing at point A and Sarah is standing at point X. Let Peter is moving to the B, covering the distance which is 10 kilometer and 2 hours. Now Sarah is moving to the point Y, and the distance which Sarah is covering is 18 kilometer, and the time she takes is 9 hours. Now if someone is asking me what is the speed of Peter, or which Peter or Sarah is moving the fast, so what I will do, I will say Peter speed is equal to 10 kilometer divided by time. So this is giving us 5 kilometer per hour. It means Peter is covering 5 kilometer distance and 1 hour. Now what about Sarah? We know Sarah has covered 18 kilometer distance and 9 hours. So we divide the distance by time and we are getting 2 kilometer per hour. It means Sarah is covering 2 kilometer in every hour. So this is telling us that Peter is moving faster than Sarah. Why? Because Peter is covering 5 kilometer and every hour, and Sarah is covering 2 kilometer and every hour. So Peter is moving fast than Sarah. Sarah is moving slow than Peter. So this is speed, which is creating a relationship between distance and time. Now to give you the concept of speed and velocity, let me tell you again an example, because this example will clear your concept about speed and velocity. Let if I have a 2 point A and B, and if I have two paths, path 1 and path 2. Now if Peter and Sarah is standing at A, let's consider Peter is moving by path 1 to B and covering 12 kilometer distance and 4 hour. Now Sarah is moving 6 kilometer towards B. Now if Sarah is covering the displacement 6 kilometer towards B and 3 hour. So speed, path 1 is giving us 12 kilometer 4 hour. So path 1 is a distance, and we know distance is a scalar quantity. So I say if I divided the distance by time, I am getting the speed. I am getting the speed. So 12 kilometer divided by 4 is giving us 3 kilometer per hour. So this 3 kilometer per hour is the speed of Peter. Now also keep it in your mind, V is actually denoting the speed, and V is equal to distance divided by time. I'm repeating this statement, distance divided by time. Now if I explain the path 2, as I told you, Sarah is moving 6 kilometer towards B and 3 hour. So path 2 is actually displacement, and I know displacement is a vector quantity because it is giving us the size and direction. So dividing displacement by time is giving us a velocity. Distance divided by time is giving us a speed. Displacement divided by time is giving us velocity. So 6 kilometer divided by 3 hour is giving me 2 kilometer per hour towards B is actually velocity. So velocity, and keep it in your mind, V arrow on the head is giving me the velocity, and velocity is equal to x s r d divided by time. So this example shows me that speed is actually distance divided by time. Distance is a scalar quantity, speed is a scalar quantity. Now velocity, we know about velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. So displacement is a vector quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. So this is all about the speed and velocity.